Is Ally an online bank? You might be surprised. Intro. Upbeat, catchy music. What if I told you that the bank you thought was completely online, with no branches whatsoever, actually has a surprising brick-and-mortar presence? Would that change your perception of them? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Ally Bank, one of the biggest names in online banking. We'll crack open the question, is Ally an online bank, and what exactly does that mean? So buckle up, financially curious friends, because we're about to break down the online versus traditional bank debate and see where Ally falls on the spectrum. The rise of the online bank. Let's rewind a bit. Remember those days when banking meant dressing up in business casual, waiting in long lines, and hoping the teller remembered your name? Thankfully, the internet age has brought us a revolution: online banking. With a few clicks and a secure login, you can manage your finances from anywhere, anytime. No more scheduling conflicts or wasting precious time stuck in a crowded lobby. Online banks have boomed in popularity, offering a convenient and often more competitive alternative to traditional banks. Typically, they boast lower fees, higher interest rates, and a user-friendly online platform. Sounds pretty sweet, right? So, where does Ally fit in? Here's where things get interesting. Ally definitely offers all the hallmarks of a great online bank: a user-friendly app, competitive rates, and a focus on digital tools. But here's the twist: Ally actually has a hidden network of physical locations, kind of. The Ally surprise: more than just online. Ally refers to their physical locations as ATMs with a human touch or financial advisors with ATMs. Intrigued? Here's the deal. Ally does have a network of over 500 locations across the U.S., but they're not your typical bank branches. They're staffed with financial advisors who can't actually process transactions or handle your cash. Think of them as mini financial consultation centers. Need help navigating investment options or creating a budget plan? Ally's advisors are there to chat, answer questions, and provide personalized guidance. But if you need to deposit a check or get some cash out, you'll still be directed to the ATM. The verdict: Ally online bank with a twist. So, to finally answer the burning question, is Ally an online bank? Yes, absolutely. Their core business revolves around their online platform and digital tools. But with their network of advisor locations, they bridge the gap between the completely online experience and the traditional brick-and-mortar bank. Ally, the best of both worlds? This unique approach might be a perfect fit for some. Maybe you value the convenience of online banking but crave occasional face-to-face financial advice. Ally gives you both. However, if you frequently need access to a teller or prefer the traditional in-person banking experience, Ally might not be the best choice. The bottom line. Ultimately, the decision of whether Ally is the right bank for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Do you prioritize convenience and competitive rates? Or do you crave the full-service, in-person experience? Call to action. Before you make a decision, do your research. Explore Ally's online platform, see if their advisor locations are conveniently situated for you, and compare their rates to other banks. Remember, the best bank is the one that best suits your financial goals and lifestyle. Outro. Upbeat music fades. So, is Ally an online bank? Yes, with a surprising twist. We hope this video shed some light on Ally's unique approach to banking. As always, leave a comment below with your thoughts on Ally, or any other online bank you love or hate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financially savvy content. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.